Hey, this is Matt at Coastal Compass. We are your Sandals Resorts and Beaches Resorts experts. I'm coming to you today from Sandals South Coast, and I'm standing in the courtyard in front of their Silver Sun building. Now, we're going to be showing you one of their luxury level rooms. We'll be showing you the Silver Sun Beachfront room, and then we're going to show you around the building and what it's like to stay in this part of the resort. If you'd like what you see in this room and you want to book, please use our affiliate link. It's in the show notes, and that really helps us out when you do that. And if you want to book but you have questions and maybe need help booking, we're a full-service travel agency. We'd love to help you do that. Just go to our website in the show notes and click Contact Us, and we'll reach out. All right, let's get in and see this place. So here we are entering the room. You're going to see that it is a standard luxury room, so it doesn't come with all the perks and amenities that come in a club level or butler room, but it's still pretty roomy. We found that it had more than enough room for both of us. So since this is a luxury room, you're not going to have all the extra liquors like tequila and rum that you'd find in a club level room and above, but you will have Coke, definitely some Red Stripe juices and water in the room. And the bathroom's going to be pretty basic, but it's very nice. You've got all the room that you need, and there is a shower tub combo. We did like the patio. You have a nice view of the courtyard out in front of the Silver Sun room. The balcony is a bit smaller than some of the club level rooms, but it still has a great view. Now that we've seen the room, let's look around the Silver Sun building, and we're going to look at what it's like to stay at this part of the resort. Standing outside the Silver Sun Village, it used to be called the Italian Village, so if you see that, we'll use those words interchangeably. They're still in the process of switching all the branding over to Silver Sun. This is probably going to be where you find the cheapest rooms on the resort. You do have a nice sweeping view of the courtyard and some mountains on one side where all the rooms are, and all the rooms face the ocean on the other side. Now, as this is where you're going to find some of the cheaper rooms, the lower level is not going to be swim up. They're all going to be walkout rooms where you walk straight out into the courtyard on the other side and to the beach. You don't have a full-sized pool. It's more of a smaller whirlpool tub that you can climb into and hang out for a while. And then you have the Silver Sun Beach area that is on the other side of the pool. If you liked what you saw in the Silver Sun building and you want to see more, you can check out our full resort tour. It's the Sandals South Coast full tour video on our YouTube page. If you want to book yourself, I want to ask that you please use our affiliate link. That really helps us out when you do that. And then last, if you have questions and need help booking, we're more than happy to do that. Just go to our website on the show notes and click Contact Us, and we'll reach out shortly. Have a good day.